G'day, welcome back to Sumo's Projects and welcome to this week's video. The good folks at Arbortech over in Western Australia have been kind enough to send me the all new mini carver that's being released pretty much now, and it's available on the market. It's an updated improvement on what they've had before. So what I'd like to do in this video is take the tool out of the bag, and I want to show you exactly what you do get in the purchase, and also how it goes together, and looking at some of the variants, I suppose, where the improvements have been made. But if it's the first time you've viewed Sumo's Projects, I'd love it if you could subscribe to this channel and also give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell for future videos, because I'll be putting this through its paces on several upcoming projects, and I'll be really happy if you join me on those. So, all right, let's have a look at what's in this bag. Arbortech are one of the leading power carving accessory machines in the world nowadays. The professional quality of their products is second to none. As you can see here, this is so well packaged. It's held in by Velcro, and straight out of the box you have a good ergonomic feel about it. There's a disc attached ready to go, and a pretty good lead. Also, you have this mini power carver here, so you know, first opening the box, you can see you have some beautiful accessories that are ready to do the job. The cardboard box within the casing holds, as you can see here, this is some sort of strap that you can utilise in taking the weight off when you're doing the carving. Also got some sanding discs and the dust extraction chute, which is, I believe, an upgrade from the last series of Arbortech mini carving products, and I do say it works fantastically well. So as you saw, when you open the bag up, this is actually anchored down by means of Velcro running over the top here of the motor and also over the handle. Ergonomically, it feels really good in the hands. It's not heavyweight object tool, and all round it looks like it's very well made and manufactured. So that's always a very promising start. So some of the attachments we have here, obviously, I think one of the improvements is the ability to capture dust and also wood chips, which is a bane of most woodworkers' lives. You know, we're forever cleaning up after we've made a big mess. So if you can eliminate that at the source, you're already in front. Chip and dust extraction part of the attachment clips in, and once you've got that, a shop vac with a standard type fitting will go ahead and assist in doing a great job in keeping your work environment clean. I've got a little Ryobi shop vac, so it fitted up straight away beautifully. So with the unit, you get an industrial wood carver that's already attached to the unit. Fantastic, it's already set up. And also the turbo plane, which is this little disc here. It's a very easy interchange of the cutting bits, the carving bits. Matter of getting the Allen key and undoing the screw at the bottom here, as you can see. And on the other side there is a flat-headed screw, which you need a flat-headed screwdriver, and you just hold that, and that will then allow you to disengage, to undo it anti-clockwise and to do it back up in a clockwise direction. So upon attaching the mini carver, you can see how much material is removed. This is fantastic. It does it with the greatest of ease, and this is a very high ranking hardwood on the Janker scale, so making easy work of it. What's unique as well is it comes with some sanding pads, so another attachment we can put on, and that goes a long way to putting on a finish into any type of curvature work and that sort of thing. So it's great. Allen keys supplied, different types of grit of sanding pads, all the collets and all the accessories. So well packaged, very impressive. Here we have the sanding discs. They come in different grits, as you can see. This is a grommet that feeds through the sanding disc, and this attaches here to this boot, and then you merely put a screw bolt back in and reattach, and you can see it's going to work very well here. Loving this. What I'll do, we'll pan down and just have a look on the box that it came with, and it'll give you a bit of overview of some of the attachments that are also available to purchase separately, which can be used on this little beauty of a carver. So let's have a look at that. One of the cool things with the packaging is you can see the amount of attachments that are available. So from the mini carver right to the sanding, the accessories, the other attachments you can purchase individually. This is what the package sort of looks like when it comes in. There's also chisel attachments for power chiseling, so fantastic all around. So there you have it, the all new mini carver from Arbortech. It's fantastic. If I'm summarising this, out of a mark of 10, I give it probably a 9.5. It's an independent review, and I thank Arbortech very much for allowing me to have a play around and see how it works. There'll be some upcoming projects using this little ripper of a machine, and my mark is based on it works really well. Just as you can see, it just carves through that wood. That is a pretty dense wood, being grey box, and did it with ease. And the biggest thing is, it's a lot of fun to use. So lots of power. It has a soft start, and you know, the dust extraction is pretty good. It's pretty good. It won't eliminate everything, but try using it without it, and you're going to be in a world of mess. So 9.5 out of 10. Good little machine. Check it out at your leading woodworking stores. I'll put in some links to some places you might be able to look up further information and where you can possibly purchase this great little item from Arbortech. Alright guys, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. That's important to remind you there's upcoming videos. So until the next time, happy woodworking, and I'll see you on the next one. Hooroo.